Well, it's a cold day, so it's time for cold starts. It's late in May, and yeah, we've got snow, so let's cold start some lawnmowers. This is my John Deere 112. I got it for free, but that's another video, so let's open the garage door and pull out the first lawnmower. Let's do it. Letting in all the cold. Alright. Let's go grab it. It's a 3.5 horsepower classic. And we're about to see how well it will start. Get some primes. 1, 2, 3. Keep going low. Just like that. Fire it up. So that's the first one. Now let's go and see some more lawnmowers.